Here's 3 habits that can keep you from making more sales. Hi, I'm Christa Nichols, sales copywriter for 7- and 8-figure entrepreneurs and influencers. And these 3 habits could be keeping you from better sales results for your digital marketing campaigns. This first one might not seem like it has anything to do with it, but it might be one of the most important ones of all, and that is lack of consistent social media visibility. If you're not showing up online to serve your audience consistently, your ads could fall on deaf ears. People are smart. They click, they go, they check out your profile, they check out your page, and if you're not showing up and offering value, that trust factor goes down. That leads into habit number 2, not asking your audience what they want. If you're not active on social media and you're not building an audience, how do you know what they really want? I've worked with people who have no idea what their target audience really wants. They've created offers and spent thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of time creating offers that their audience doesn't actually want because they never asked them what they wanted. Sell what they want, deliver what they need. The third habit that can hobble your campaigns is speaking ahead of the audience. Now, by this, I mean trying to just talk about your program or your product or your services and the features and how awesome it is before the audience member even understands that it's the solution to their pain. You're operating way too far ahead of them. They can't grasp it. The only thing they see right now is the problem that they have. You need to use your copy to go to them, meet them where they're at with a conversation going on in their heads, and then lead them to the offer as the number 1 solution to their problem. Follow me for more copywriting tips.